Want to stay on top of your customer reviews no matter where they're posted? With HiFiveStar you can. Whether it's Facebook, Google, TripAdvisor, or Booking.com, HiFiveStar helps you manage and respond to customer reviews all in one place. Start by integrating the platforms where you currently receive or want to receive reviews. You can do so by clicking on Settings and then clicking on Integrations. Or if you don't have anything yet, you can click on Go to Integrations. For Google and Facebook, it's as easy as logging directly from HiFiveStar. For other platforms, you can do so by pasting the link to start importing reviews. Once connected, you can respond to reviews from the reviews section, saving you time and keeping your customers happy. We'll bring in the most recent ones to keep things relevant. Reviews are updated daily, except for Facebook, which updates in real time. Start integrating today and turn every review into a 5-star opportunity with HiFiveStar.